How to customize the read script settings in your Outlook. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can customize the read receipt settings in your Outlook. So these settings basically allows the sender to acknowledge that you have read their email or not. So let me show you how you can customize these settings. So in order to customize these settings, first you need to open your Outlook application, and once you are inside your Outlook application, you need to click onto this settings gear icon at the top right. And once you will click onto this settings gear icon, you will see this dialog box that appears right here. So let me quickly maximize it. And now in this particular section, you have different types of tab listed over to the left hand side. Now from here, simply choose the mail tab. And then under the mail tab, you need to click onto this option that says message handling. So click onto this message handling option and it will give you these options. Now from here you have different types of options. So here are the read receipts if you will scroll down, and you have three options in this. It says choose how to respond to requests for read receipts. So the first option is ask me before sending a response. So this means that it will ask you before sending a read response, and then you also have the second option that says always send a response, and the third one is never send a response. So if you don't want to send a read receipt response, then you can click onto this never send a response option. And apart from that, you also have this setting of mark as read. So it also contains some more settings like mark displayed item as read as soon as they are selected. So this means that the item will be marked as read as soon as you have selected them. And then the second option is mark displayed items as read after 5 seconds. So just after 5 seconds, the displayed items will be marked read. The third option is mark displayed items as read when the selection changes. So that means when the selection changes, it will only mark them as read. And the fourth option is don't automatically mark items as read. So you can also choose any of these options if you want. So that was all for the read receipts. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.